Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC Sedan. This stylish, prestigious and elegant sedan with the remainder of its factory warranty remains one of the best small sport luxury sedans that you can buy. With famed Benz engineering and high-tech safety features, this segment-leading Mercedes is worthy of your serious consideration. The cabin is refined and classy and enjoys exceptional quality materials with soft-touch surfaces. With Bluetooth, navigation, 10-way power front seats, command interface with a dial controller, and a fuel-saving automatic engine stop-start function. The list of additional features is far too extensive to outline in this short video. Please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us for the full specifications on this model. We encourage you to come and experience the impressive handling and steering, unmatched ride comfort, and confidence-inspiring driving dynamics of this world-class sedan for yourself. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.